Hi everyone, I wanted to show you all my fabrics I got from PB Fabrics, or Pegasus Fabrics, which is from Ella over there. Now, she does really pretty fabrics, and she doesn't just do like your basic fabrics. She does a load of really interesting and different. She does adult themes, she does political, she does a lot of things that you wouldn't, feminist, like breastfeeding fabrics, like fabrics that you wouldn't see traditionally elsewhere, or you would have a very limited range of. Ella does a big extended range, and she also does custom prints as well if you ask her. I actually asked her for a really bizarre request, and she's the only one I would have trusted to ask to print the design that I wanted, because it's a bit more risque than some of the places. So like I said, she printed that for me. It's in my Facebook group if you want to see it, but it's one based on an author, one of my favourite authors' books, so I decided to make like a custom print. But she got lots of things, and not only does she do the feministic, the political and all of those kind of fabrics and the adult fabrics, she also does dead stock and some more unusual versions, stretch fabrics, DPDs, and she's also got a supply box. She does a Profinity box each wing with each month with a different theme. I think this month she's got mermaid, but she does different ones, and they have like, she's got a bullet version, a leatherette version and a DPD version, and they're all at different price ranges, so you're not just limited to one thing. So if you're more of a fabric person rather than a leatherette or glitter, it's an ideal box for you to have a look at, and like I say, it gives you a theme based on that, so it might be something you might be interested in, but I'll put the link in the description box below. And she also does dead stock, so stock that would be going to other places that other suppliers have decided is not their thing and has been left on a shelf and potentially going to be destroyed. Ella also chooses certain fabrics from there and sells them to us instead, which means we get better prices on them, and she gets some really unique things in that some other places wouldn't necessarily stock, so it also prevents fabric waste and things like that, which I think is a really like good sound like idea for like the environment and things like that. So that's the other reason why I like buying from her. Well, she's got some new fabrics in. This was her launch from a couple of weeks ago, and I love this. This is like the Ingolese mesh, and I'm probably mispronouncing that, but I got this really pretty pink version. I will show you. Look at that. And then I got the matching black version there. And then I got this grey polar fleece, because I'm going to make some snoods for me, because I'm always cold at the minute. And then if you're not one for swearing, or you don't like Profinity, then I'd stop the video now, but I'm going to show you the other fabrics, because like I said, these are the feministic ones and like the slightly more adult theme ones. So she's got this one, which is this rainbow, we run this mother world. Okay, then I got this super pretty leopard foil print one. I've got this one, which is another one of my favourites, which is Kiss My Sass, with all the hearts, which is quite, it's like an alternative Valentine's Day one for you, if that was more your cup of tea, if you're not like a girly kind of girl. And then this is another great one for alternative Valentines. It's the Sweetheart fabric, only it's like an atomical heart rather than like a cutesy love heart, and I really like that one, especially like the peachy kind of colour. And then this one's another one that I quite like as well. So it's this one, and it says in the different colours, you'll be able to see in a minute, I'll open it up a bit more. It says boobs. It's got the boobs, all the different sizes and shapes and everything on there. And I'm from the UK, so this is one that you can get away with swearing in other places, because it sounds like less of a rude word, but it's basically tea waffle. Don't be a tea waffle. And I like all the different colours, etc. And then I've got this one, which is You Make My Heart Sing, which is more of a more traditional themed ones, because she does a mix of like normal and like vanilla fabrics, as well as the more adult and political and all of those ones. I also have the leatherette for Kiss My Sass, the leatherette boobs, this cute leopard print one, and this one, which is one of my favourite ones, which is Throwing Sarcasm Around Like Confetti, which I really like as well. So I got those ones to match my fabrics. So I think, 1 minute. Thanks for watching. Bye.